paragraphs
and
and
drive
bullet
on
points.
straight ahead.
With
You got it. You can do it. Close them. Duh, he doesn't want you to. Okay, pretend like you're not doing it.
Okay, I'm not.
really closing
I'm not.
his eyes.
He was closing his eyes so tight, Daddy. It was so cute.
Go away, Dad.
He said, I can't see.
Dad, I can't see.
Okay, drive.
There you go.
Where's he going, Daddy? Can't see. Go. Go, drive. Drive, go.
Wait, go.
You can do it. Drive.
I can't see that.
Oh,
I know, you
he
can't see.
It's 'cause his
Oh,
eyes
no.
are closed.
Don't ride that bike off the cliff.
He can't see.
Mom can't see.
Now he can see.
Yay.
I can't see.
He's got that puppy going for a ride.
Oh, why?
That cute puppy. Oh,
What
take that puppy for a ride.
What puppy?
The little stuffed puppy. He's gonna drive puppy. Take him for a drive.
Maddie's Misty dog.
Oh, is that Maddie's?
Yeah, she didn't take it yet.
Oh no.
Mom.
I like it. You like that puppy?
Yeah.
It's a soft one. He usually doesn't play with stuffed animals. You like that one?
Yeah, I want that. My two puppy. My two puppy paintings.
Your two puppy presents?
Madison's puppy.
Oh, Maddie's puppy presents?
Yeah.
I like how he says present.
Puppy.
That's a puppy present?
Puppy paintings.
Yeah.
No, puppy paintings.
Bubby present?
Oh no. Oh no.